Hello friends, this is Shantanu and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about SiteGround GrowBig plan. This is one of the best SiteGround plan for beginners. This plan is quite affordable and has lot of premium SiteGround features. So in one of my previous video, I have shared about their startup plan as well. You can check out that video. I will provide that link in the description section. So this is the official website of SiteGround, SiteGround.com. You can visit this link. I have provided the link in the description. So as soon as you visit SiteGround.com, you just put your cursor on the hosting. You can see there are multiple types of hosting. So as I'm interested more on WordPress blogging, so I always recommend people to sign up with the WordPress hosting. So this is one of a kind of a shared hosting plan only, but this kind of shared hosting plans are highly optimized for WordPress websites. So I am also personally using their WordPress hosting plan for my blog. So if you are not aware about my blog, just let me show you. So this is my blog, bloggingjoy.com. So this is my blog, bloggingjoy.com, where I share lots of tutorials and useful guides related to blogging, how to create a blog, how to grow your blog. So you can see this blog. And this blog is hosted right now on GrowBig plan. You can see that. There is a website called hostingchecker.com. You can just visit that website and put my blog address and check that in which hosting I am using. And this is my cPanel area where you can see that GrowBig plan, that my blog is hosted on GrowBig plan. Initially I purchased their GrowBig plan, but later on I have moved or upgraded to GrowBig plan because I wanted to use a lot of resources, as well as I want to get the benefit of advanced SiteGround cache so that I can get a fast loading website. So that's the reason I have upgraded to their higher hosting plan. So anyway, this video is all about SiteGround GrowBig plan. So you can see that the middle one is the GrowBig plan. So this is one of the best seller plan of SiteGround. Of course, if you have checked my SiteGround startup review plan, you can say that you can notice that I have in that video also I have told that GrowBig plan is actually far better compared to startup. Definitely startup plan looks cheaper, but if you compare the pricing also, initial pricing, GrowBig plan is just $2 extra. But with this $2 extra per month, you will get a lot of extra benefit. You can see that the major disadvantages of startup plan I found is that it's only for one website, where GrowBig you can host unlimited websites. It has only 10 GB space. Here you will find 20 GB space. It has 10,000 visits per month. It has 25,000 visitors per month. Not only that, if you just compare both in detail, you can see that there are a couple of things. For example, so WordPress special cache. Now, this is why SiteGround is a different hosting company, because they provide additional speed feature, or their servers are highly optimized and have their own cache system, so that your website will seriously load faster compared to other hosting companies. Definitely, you can use Cloudflare or you can use the cache plugin to get a faster website. But from SiteGround side also, they have made sure they are providing that additional fast feature in their hosting itself. So with the addition of Cloudflare or WP Rocket cache plugin, you will get the best website speed for your website. So if you compare both of them, there are many features which is not available in the startup, but just paying $2 extra, you will get all those features in SiteGround GrowBig plan. Definitely GrowBig and GrowBig are two totally different kind of plan, because that is from cost point of view also that is little expensive, and GrowBig has a lot of resources and traffic limits. So if you are a beginner, then you may not need this GrowBig plan immediately, but you can start with the GrowBig plan, which will actually give you lots of space, lots of freedom to create and grow your blog in 2020. So just compare. So you can see that Supercatcher. So Supercatcher is a SiteGround plugin, SG Optimizer plugin. I am using that in my. So let me show you. So let me go to my dashboard area. So in this place you can see that SG Optimizer. So this SG Optimizer is an additional plugin from SiteGround, which will give your website a very fast loading speed, and this plugin is only available for SiteGround users. So you can see that I can do a lot of things what a cache plugin can do that. So definitely you may think that you can buy the WP Rocket plugin. I am also using the WP Rocket plugin. If you do not want to invest in a WP Rocket plugin, then this SiteGround Super Cache, or you can say Geo-Optimizer plugin itself is enough. It can handle a lot of things that a cache plugin can handle. You can see the latest PHP is already enabled in my blog. This is something which other hosting companies will not provide you, other shared hosting plans do not have. That's why I love SiteGround, because they really care about their servers, and their servers are really fast because they do follow all the latest speed and technologies. There are a lot of options you can handle, minification, everything you can handle through this. Recently they have added something called performance test. So let me run my website here. Okay, it's already there. So let me analyze it, and I'll show you that how exactly my website is loading according to SiteGround servers. So this test tool is powered by Google PageSpeed. So you can see that this is a very good score in the desktop as well as in the mobile also. I can say that it will load faster. So website speed is very important, and that's the only reason I am investing heavily for SiteGround hosting, because even if I am spending more, I am relaxed. You can see that it's 90%. Now I'm relaxed that okay, my website is with a very good hosting company who are taking care of my website. It is highly secure. Servers are very fast. So anyway, come back to this comparison. So you can see that Super Cache, there are 3 levels. So with Startup plan, you will get only 1 level, but from GrowBig plan onward, it is available for all the 3 levels. Now let's scroll down what is not there. Okay, advanced on-demand backup. So on-demand backup is not available with Startup plan. So by default, there is a 30-day backup which is available for all the 3 plans. But from GrowBig onward, you will get on-demand backup as well. So there are a couple of things. One important thing is the free site transfer. So if you are struggling or not happy with your current hosting company and you want to switch to SiteGround, then you don't have to worry anything, because from GrowBig plan onward, SiteGround will help you to transfer their website to SiteGround without any downtime. So that's a very necessary feature. Definitely any webmaster is looking for. So there is staging available. So lots of premium features which is available in GrowBig plan compared to Startup plan, and that is also just by spending $2 per month extra. Definitely, if you compare their actual pricing, which is around $12 and which is around $20, there's a $10 difference. So that's where I found that SiteGround has little disadvantage, or this is the cons of a SiteGround hosting, that the renewal pricing is little expensive. But still, as far as I am sure about like what exactly I need from my hosting company, I am ready to invest this much of money, because if you don't choose your hosting company wisely, then you have to switch your hosting company every year multiple times just to save money. And this will impact your website's speed, ranking, and definitely it will impact your website revenue as well. So I have decided to choose SiteGround for my blog, and when I bought this GrowBig plan initially, I made sure that I bought for next 3 years. So you can go to my blog and read that GrowBig review also. I have shared a detailed GrowBig review. So just go to my blog, scroll down and search for GrowBig review. There I have shared all the screenshots of my initial purchase, SiteGround GrowBig plan review. Just come down. So you can see that November 2022 I purchased GrowBig for 3 years, and next year I have upgraded to GrowBig plan. The same plan I have upgraded to GrowBig plan. So now, so this is the screenshot I want to show you. So in this screenshot you can see that I paid this price $5.09, so around $6 per month. It was actually during Black Friday, so it was a little bit reduced, but I made sure to buy for 3-year GrowBig hosting plan for bloggingjoy.com. So I only paid $180. So that's one mistake people generally do. They only buy hosting for 1 year. Whether they like it or don't like, next year during the renewal time they switch to another hosting company. So just be sure that what exactly is your blogging plan. If you are focused on your blogging plan, then definitely you should choose a good hosting company like SiteGround, buy it for the next 3 years, and then forget about your hosting renewals. Just focus on your blog content, promoting your blog, and 3 years is a good enough time to grow your blog. So this is what all I want to share in this SiteGround GrowBig plan review. So the major takeaway from this review is that as a beginner, if you want to buy a SiteGround hosting, don't buy the startup plan. I will recommend you to buy the GrowBig plan. It's just $2 per month expensive. Go for it because GrowBig plan has a lot of premium features that your website really needs it. You will enjoy using SiteGround GrowBig plan. And whenever you are buying GrowBig plan, make sure to avail this 70% discount SiteGround offer for at least 3 years. This way you can save a huge amount of money. After 3 years, if you think that you want to renew your hosting and if you find it expensive, you can talk to SiteGround people for further discount, or if you want, you can switch them. But you should at least invest for 3 years, because 1 year if you buy SiteGround hosting and by that time you are not able to do anything in your blog. 1 year is a very less period in blogging, so you will never realize that how fast this period will go on, and all of a sudden you will find that you have to renew your SiteGround hosting with a huge amount of price. So that's the big mistake people are doing it. So just spend less amount right now, go for 3-year hosting, availing this 70% SiteGround discount. So I hope you will like this SiteGround GrowBig review video. So I have shared a lot of videos related to blogging tips and web hosting on my YouTube channel. So you make sure to subscribe this channel, find out other or watch other videos which I'm sure you will find useful. If you have any question, any queries, just write a comment in any of the videos. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to share this video and also subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I come up with a new video, you get the notification immediately. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.